on, Grandma Jen.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. This is how you do makeup on Grandma Jen.
What? No.
Just a little. This is my Grandma Jen, and I'm gonna put some makeup on her. So you can place it down. Place it down. So first, I'm gonna put on foundation. Here's the foundation, and here's the sponge. So I'm gonna open the foundation. Like, I'm gonna go on this side. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on your cheeks. And here. Right here. Here. And here. Now I'm gonna cover it back up. Now I'm gonna blend it with the sponge.
That looks pretty.
Okay, now I'm gonna do it in her nose. Right here now. Now here. Now here. She looks like an angry bird. Now some eyeshadow. Maybe I'll give her this white. Right there. And I'm gonna get this fluffy brush. And I'm gonna get this white. She needs to close her eyes. Okay, now I'm done with this one. Now I'm gonna do the cut. I'm gonna do the concealer. So I'm just gonna put it over her wings. Open it up and put it over her wings over here. I know how to do makeup. Now I'm just gonna put on the eyeshadow on her wings. This eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna get the brush, what I use. So I'm gonna do this gold, and then I'm gonna put it over her wing. I'm gonna put so much on her wing. I'm gonna blend it with this brush, and then I put the eyeshadow on there. This is the eyeshadow blending. Okay, now we're gonna put this purple eyeshadow on her wing next. That's it for the purple. There. You don't have to close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Now with that, now concealer on her cheeks and here and here and here and here and here. Because you put a line on her nose. I'm gonna do mascara
Okay,
later.
man.
The blender with the blending thing.
Hmm.
You don't have to close your eyes because she didn't want to read on me. This is really fun to do on grandma's. God, you need to try this on your grandma. This is so fun to do on your grandma's, guys. Okay, I'm done with that. More foundation on you. Sorry. Right, 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 right.
It's a lot.
No more.
That was this one. Now I'm gonna blend it. Pat, 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 pat. Oh, sorry, I did this on your eye. Sorry. Now I'm gonna do mascara. She doesn't have to close her eyes. She can blink. Okay. Now stop.
Really?
Lipstick and that's it. That's a long video, okay?
Yeah.
But I forgot to blend here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
She needs to do. But I'm gonna put some sparkles on her lips.
Hmm?
It's simple, easy to do sparkles on the lips. So I'm gonna do the pink right here, and I'm gonna tap really well. Tap, rub, tap, rub. I'm gonna put it on her lips. Now I need to wipe off the thing on right here. But I need to put sparkles on the thing. I need to point right here and right here. And I'm gonna put some sparkles.
Really?
brush it with this. Brush, 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 brush.
Finish.
But now you need to look at the mirror. This is how you put makeup on your grandma.